Hi, what is going on YouTube? This is Mrs. Zuni back out with another video, and now we have, as you can see, we have the grates. So I actually opened the box already, but what's super cool about this, I like the design. So the design inside the box is basically New York. You have like Brooklyn, you have Queens, you have Jamaica, and you have like the substations as well. That is really, really cool. And you can see grates on the box. I thought that was a nice touch. I do believe they updated the box for these. I believe they're blue. I got these in a size 8. I usually wear size 9. On the website they said they fit a half size big, but I think they fit like a whole size, honestly. Dress shoes I wear size 8, so they're kind of in the same realm. And I did get the white gum, and I do really like the box a lot. Like I've heard a lot about this brand, the grates, but I've never actually seen them in person or bought them. And they feel really, really nice. The box is nice and sturdy. Very, very good quality box. Be the one great one. So that's pretty cool. Oh, it'd be one of the grates on there. That's pretty cool. Like the inside of paper is very nice. As you can see, this is the grates right there. And I did get, like I said, the white gum. I think these are super duper clean. I don't like all white shoes. I think I love these a lot better than all white shoes. I initially wanted an all white shoe, but I think that with the gum sole just like makes it pop. So yeah, I got these in a size 8. I possibly could have gotten them in a size 8.5 for the future. I think I could have gotten it at 8.5. So it does say on the website, go down the size, half a size. I probably could have went down half a size and got the size 8.5. But like, first impressions of these are very, very nice. They smell really, really good. Nice leather. I was actually, like I said, I was messing with them before, and what I noticed is they have orthotics in the inside. As you can see right there. I'm not sure if anybody's ever really showed that. You can see right here, made in Italy. It's a Brooklyn company. Yeah, I thought that was kind of interesting that they have orthotics inside them. So you can see that's the brand of orthotics. So that is kind of cool. I've never really seen a brand have either like a leather shoe or a leather sneaker have like a kind of like orthotics in there. So that's I'm pretty sure that helps out. I don't know if long-term wise, like the padding is the best. Like if this was just all leather, I wonder what if it was different. It would be different or last longer than an orthotic, like a gel type cushion. But yeah, like I said, time will tell. On the inside, as you can see in there, it's pretty hard inside, so the orthotics I'm sure helps. You have leather lined inside. Let me actually pull the camera closer and we'll get more into it. So here's like the orthotics as I showed you before. It says the grates, made in Italy. Brooklyn is where they're from. And here's a toe cap. I was kind of concerned about the perforation right here, but like honestly, I don't really notice it because I think the whole shoe is very, very, very nice looking. But yeah, these feel really, really good. They're stiff, but not too stiff. They feel structured, I would say. They feel, it's a good feeling. I've seen a lot of I felt a lot of like shoes, high-end shoes. I felt Common Projects before. I tried them on, and I think for the price, like these are awesome. Like there's another brand I want to kind of review too, Magnani. They have really, really nice shoes, and I always see them at like Nordstrom Rack or Nordstrom, and my cat is knocking over everything. Knocking over all my lights. But yeah, so I'm really interested in the brand Magnani. They have like white shoes, and they have really nice like sneakers and boots as well. And I want to compare the difference between them, Magnani, and these grates, because Magnani is like very, very nice, and they don't crease like the shoes. I'm surprised that not a lot of people talk about Magnani. Their sneakers are really, really nice. They have like a little profile, like kind of like the Common Projects and the Greats, but I want to say they look a little bit sleeker than both. I'm gonna show you guys once they come in the comparison. I did get an all white pair of Mignanis, and then I have my Greats, so I will compare those. Also to the Mignani boots, they're very, very nice. I need to do a review on that as well. But let's get into the Greats. Like the Greats are what the video is about. And yeah, we have the model number in here. The tongue feels very substantial. It's not like super thick, but you can feel like it's quality leather. I love the laces. The laces are very nice. I'm not sure how they like tie. Some shoelaces, like when you tie them, they just look weird. So let me check these out. No, looks good. Kind of. I think I messed up. But yeah, like the laces are very nice, like high quality wax laces. The only thing, I don't think they gave me an extra pair of laces. Yeah, I don't think they gave me an extra pair of laces. But like the quality on these, I think will last. They feel good. The box feels great. The shoes feel really, really nice. I actually tried them on. They feel comfortable. I think it's gonna, like I said, the orthotics will help out. I heard like the leather doesn't crease as much as like other shoes. And actually I was debating on whether to get some Greats or the Suit Supply. I believe it's a Suit Supply kind of shoes. They look just like these. And I heard that they were like made in China, not as like high quality material as these. I know the leather on here is like tier 1 leather, and like it's kind of like when you have really nice materials, you kind of talk about them, and if you don't, you don't. So these guys take pride in like made in Italy, like a good quality leather. They don't have the original soles on here, but I don't think, like, these feel nice. Like they feel good. I don't know if they're gonna wear out or anything like that compared to the old ones, because I don't have the old ones. But I heard videos about them talking about it's pretty much the same, and maybe they made their sole better. I mean, you don't always have to do the standard sole, because if you make a better one or a better one for your product, then that's cool as well. But yeah. Yeah, these are very, very nice, and I can't wait to rock them. Like, these are going to be like my summer, even fall shoes, just because you can wear these with jeans. And I think that's why I liked not getting an all white pair with a gum bottom. I think the gum bottom is very good touch. And yeah, like, I can't say enough about these. I'll have another video like 6 months in, or maybe a month in, and show you guys how I like them, how they're holding up. And for sure, I'm going to compare these with the Mignanis. And if you guys have another shoe company, I guess I could have I could review them with other shoes that I've had in the past, but I think Mignani and Greats are going to be like a really, really good company to buy. You can find the Mignanis on Nordstrom and Nordstrom Rack sometimes on sale. I just think those shoes are very, very sleek, because I actually did try them on online, like, or in store, and I was trying to crease them and they don't crease. So these don't look like they crease as much either. I've seen a lot of people have reviews of these, and they're looking pretty good. And like I said, I got these rubber or the gum soles, so they should last a lot longer than the white soles. And yeah, leave the comments below if you guys picked these up, or if you guys have the all white shoe, and if you do have the original model of the bottoms, and if you have the new version, tell me if they held up, or if there was a little difference in the two. But I have nothing but great things about Greats. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.